about this little beauty? What about this? Do you remember this? I got this from my mum's house, right? Do you remember the night before, you'd get it out and you'd find where you had to go. You'd put your Woolworths docket in to hold the spot, right? And then you'd have to pull over and go, right, map 47, join map 41, okay, right, going over, right, okay. Third street on the right, second on the left, third on the right, second on the left, and you put it down. And then you'd probably have a bit of a fight with your husband about it. No, was it second on the right? I don't know. I mean, this is how we used to do things. Doesn't this seem so difficult compared to now, when we just jump in our car, type in the address, WAZE directs us around traffic congestion, police, everything. So we can get there super, super quickly and easily. So this is how we're changing, right? This is all just things that technology is helping us every single day. And when I say Wi-Fi, SMS, WWW, 3G, I mean, we know what those acronyms mean, right? Like, it's become part of our language. We know exactly what these mean. And so tonight, I just want to talk to you about the newest acronym, which is AI.